To begin, start with downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up and swing it through to a high lunge position. Push your lead knee forward until you feel a stretch. Raise your hands up to go into Warrior 1. Twist your rear foot while having your lead foot face forward. Lower your arms to shoulder height with one in front and one behind you. Press your lead knee forward until you feel a stretch. Raise your lead arm up and lower your rear arm down to progress to Reverse Warrior. To finish the flow, windmill your hands down into a high plank position. Then lower yourself into a low plank. Press up through the floor to progress to Upward Facing Dog. Push back into Downward Facing Dog to complete the flow. Here's the same series of movements from a different camera angle. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.